Hi friends, this is Sasank from my new own YouTube channel Math Curie #S, and I am starting a new series in math, and I might say it will definitely helpful for you and your newcomers as well as who want to be a competitor. However, all the questions are what I have selected here, all are important and conceptual basis. If you thoroughly understands these things, you can solve all the problem in ratio and proportions. So today I will start a new series from ratio and proportions. So please uh, see the video from first to last and be understandable. And I hope you enjoy the video. Let's start with ratio and proportions. So the first question is in your copy, like a by 3 equal to b by 8, then find a plus 3 is to b plus 8. So first, before I start, I might to say that ratio and proportions nothing but it is only uncertainty. That means, so there will be a ratio. So here a divided by 3, b divided by 8. That means a equal to is your 3 and b equal to is your 8. Got it? Then now simply put this value on these equations. So here a plus 3, that means 3 plus 3. So is to means you can say divided. Okay. B plus 8, that means 8 plus 8. So that's the answer here in your copy is 6 divided by 16. If you simplify this, then you can write 2, 3 and 8. So that is the answer 3 by 8. And you can write like that, or you can write 3 is to 8. So this is your right answer. Okay. So first questions is already completed. I think you understand. If you are not understand, please वीडियो को पॉज करो एवं पछकू जाके नीचे देखो. पुणे सेकंड क्वेश्चंस we'll go for second questions, and it is new from the first. Here a is to b equal to 3 is to 4 and b is to c equal to 8 is to 9. So find here a is to b is to c. How to find a is to b is to c? So it is another conceptual question. So how to solve it? So first thing I will say, a for these questions there are many more process, but one reliable process that now I'm going to say, that's it like that. First you have to write down like that, a is to b is to c. Okay, then put their values down there. That means a is to b 3 is to 4, here 3 is to 4. Okay, then b is to c is equal to 2 is to 8, sorry 8 is to 9. So put here 8 is to 9. So now these seats are vacant. Yes, vacant. So what will you do? Now the previous or the proceeds you have to put the like that. So here 8 here, so you put 8. Similarly 4 are here, you have to put 4. But complete. Now only you simply multiply these numbers. 8 into 3 is your 24, 8 into 4 is your 32, and 9 into 4 is your 36. If you cut down 36, if you simplify this, so 4 6 8 and 9, and this is your answer. Okay, so this was the second questions. I think you can understand. Similarly, third questions. Here p is to q equal to 3 is to 4, q is to r equal to 4 is to 5, and r is to s equal to 2 is to 6. Then find p minus s. So similarly, it is resemble to 2-number questions. So now I will do here. Here first p. So what I have here? Only p, q, r and s. So simply write down p is to q is to r is to s. Okay. Then put the value under their positions. So 3 is to 4. Then qr is your 4 is to 5. Okay, then r is equal to 2 is to 6. So 2 is to 6. Okay, can you got it how I am placing these numbers are here? Okay, then comfortable. So these are the vacant seats here. Yes, so already I have said you have to put this vacant seat after the presets or before. So here 4 4. Okay, then you can put here 5, and here 4, and here for 2 2. Okay, then simply multiply these numbers. 3 into 4 12, 2 into 2 14. Similarly, 4 into 4 16, into 2 32, 4 into 5 20, into 2 40, 4 into 5 20, into 6 120. Cut down here, sorry, 24 to cut down here to 12, 16, 20 and 16. Again it will be cut down 6, 8, 10 and 30. Again it will also cut down 2, 3, 4, 5 and 15. So this is our final answer. 3 is to 4 is to 5 is to 15. So now, so 3 is to 4 is to 5 is to 15. So now what are the questions? Question is P minus S. P minus S. Here P is your 3 and S is what? 15. So P minus S equal to, only put the values here. P value is 3 and S value is your minus 15. So equal to minus 12 is your answer. Got it? So now, till now we have completed how much questions? 3 questions, and all are conceptual basis and all are different from each other. So now we will go further questions. So this is your 4th number questions. So what have we here? And this is the all it is again the different questions here. P is to Q is to R equal to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Then find P by Q, Q by R and R by P. So here we know what is P, what is Q, what is R. So simply we put down here P by Q, that means 2 by 3. Okay, then Q by R, that means 3 by 4. Okay, then R by P, means R by P 4 by 2. Okay, so now what will you do if there will be a fraction? If in ratio there will be a fraction, so what will you do? Mind it, first you have to take the LCM of their denominator. Okay, so what have that LCM? 3 is to 4 is to 2. Simply 2 3 2 1, 3 into 2 6, into 2 12. So their LCM is 12. So now what will you do? Now 12 multiply all these fractions. How? Like this, 2 by 3 into 12 is to 3 by 4 into 12 is to 4 by 2 into 12. Okay, now cut down here, 4 3 6. Now multiply this, 8 is to 9 is to 24. So this is your final answer. Okay, I hope you understand these things. Okay, then we'll go further 5 number questions. So here another one that is most important things, and find the third proportional of 9 is to 4. So here third proportion, that means it should be 3 places, but here only we have only 2 places. So what will you do? So before we start this math, there have some formula for this math, like 5 number, 6 number and 7 number. There have some formula. Now I'm going to say, for third proportion the formula will be b square equal to ac. B square equal to ac. So what is b, what is a, and what is c? So now here you can get answer the what is, who is b and who is a and who is c. So here you can take a equal to 9, b equal to 4, and who is c? Now x, put here x equal to c, because c is not here, so you put the uncertainty is x. So now you can easily put the value and you can take the answer. So b square equal to 4 square. Okay, then ac 9 is to x, and that means 9 into x. Okay, and then 9x equal to is your 16 answer. X equal to 16 by 9. Okay, so this is your, sorry, so here 16 by 9 is your answer. Okay, so only you have to remember the formula b square equal to sc when it will be asked for third proportions. So similarly we go for fourth proportions. So here it might be, or it should be, fourth places are here. So but now we have only 3 places. So what have the 4 places? That you can take x. So here a, the formula is AD is equal to BC. This is the formula for fourth proportions. AD equal to BC. So what we will do? Simply put the formula. So you have to take C equal to X. Sorry, D equal to X. Here A, B, C already have done, but you have to take D equal to X. So AD equal to what? Now 4 into X is equal to BC, 16 into 7. So now X equal to 16 into 7 by 4. 4 into 4, x equal to 28. Bas, that's it, your answer. Okay, I think you understand these things. Now, what is mean proportions? So, mean proportion is mainly resemble to the third proportions, but here some mean different from here, like that. Here, mean proportion same formula, b square equal to ac. But here, who is a, who is b? That is main things. So here a is 9, but b is not 64. Here b is c. So you have to find the mean proportion, that means b. So you take b equal to x. Okay, fine. Then put the formula b square, that means x square, equal to a into c, 9 into 64. Okay, now x equal to 9 into 64, or root over x equal to 3 into 8 equal to 24. Okay, finished. So these three formula you have to learn and you have to remind. So then we'll go the further question, 8 number questions, that is again a conceptual questions. 30% of a, that means 30 by 100 into a, equal to 40% of b, 40 by 100 into b. So you can cut 100 and 100 here. So now we have 30a is equal to 40b. So what will you do? To a equal to, we know 40b by 30. Yes, now 0 cancel. So here we again get a equal to 4 by 3b. So now look at here very properly. So who will be the which ratio? 4 will be go for which, and 3 go for which. So remind it, always upper side always go to the left side, and the lower side always goes to right side. That means a, the value of a become 4 and the value of b became 3. So you can write in the ratio, if a is to b, then you can write 4 is to 3. Got it? So finished. I hope you enjoy and you understand these things. So totally we have completed 8 questions here, and all are different from each other. You are, if you're thoroughly revisible here, so you can understand the things, main things. If you are not able to understand, so please stop the video and back to video and understand these things. If you have any query, then you can comment me. So that's it, for and deal with me for further series, and that will be your some level, high level. So that's it from my sides. Thank you. Visit again my YouTube channel.